Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you is it possible to view private Instagram accounts without following them. Firstly, if you want to view their content, the straightforward way is to request to follow them. Most of the time, if you send a follow request, they may accept it, allowing you to see their photos and videos. However, this might not always be ideal, especially if you prefer not to follow them directly or if there's been some issue. A second option involves using another Instagram account. If you have a second account or can create one easily, you can follow the private accounts from there. Often, people are more likely to accept follow requests from accounts they don't recognize, especially if the username and details are different. The third and perhaps the most reliable method is to ask a friend or family member who already follows them to help you out. They can access the private account and take screenshots of the photos or videos you're interested in. Once they have taken the screenshots, they can send them to you, allowing you to view the private content without having to follow the account yourself. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.